X plus 3 6/10 equals negative 4 75/100. My goal here is to solve this equation for X. Step 1. I need to think, what is the inverse of adding 3.6? Well, the inverse would be to subtract 3.6. So I'm going to take away 3.6 on both sides. This is going to cancel out. I'm going to have my variable X by itself. Now, I have this little math problem here. I have negative 4.75 minus 3.6. If I'm thinking on a number line, I'm thinking, okay, so if this is 0, I'm starting here at negative 4.75. And since I'm taking away 3.6, I'm going to the left another 3.6 units. And I want to know, where am I going to end up after I do that? So if I go 4.75 to the left and another 3.6 to the left, I'm moving to the left twice here. How far to the left did I move in total? So I just need to put those two pieces together, 4.75 plus 3.6, and add these up. And it looks like I'm at 8.35. Now be careful here. Notice I'm to the left of 0, so I don't want to put positive 8.35. This is negative 8 35/100. So make sure you understand that, if I subtract a negative, I'm basically putting negatives and more negatives together. So it's going to give me this 8.35 in the negatives. So negative 8.35 is my final answer. Just to do a quick check here, I have X plus 3.6 equals negative 4.75. I think my X value is worth negative 8 35/100, so I'm going to substitute that in right there. So now I have negative 8.35 plus 3.6 equals negative 4.75. Now I just got to do this problem right here. I have negative 8.35 plus 3.6. So going back to my number line, if this is 0, somewhere over to the left here is negative 8.35. So that's, that far to the left. I'm going to add 3.6 to it. So I'm going to go to the right, 3.6, and I'm going to land somewhere on this number line. So basically, I need to know, how big is this right here? From 0 to what? How big is this part of the line? So it was 8.35 to the left. Because I moved 3.6 to the right, I'm basically taking away that part of it. So I just need to subtract 8.35 minus 3.6. Bring this down and do a little bit of borrowing here. 13 minus 6 would be 7. Bring the decimal straight down. 7 minus 3 is 4. So, and notice this is to the left of 0 on my number line. I have more negatives than what I have positives here. So this is negative 4.75. So everything checks out there.